Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, Samsung is expected to refresh its foldable lineup in the coming months. Fans around the world are waiting for the next generation of foldable devices that are readily available. The smartphone in the lineup will be Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. While there is a lot of information about this smartphone on the internet, a tipster has recently indicated that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 display will be slightly different. According to the leak coming from Champion 888 shared via his Twitter account, that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 could come with a wider display as per the other tipster. The upcoming foldable will be featuring a wider aspect ratio display. It hasn't been uncommon for such leaks to eventually turn out to be true, though it claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will having an outer display screen to be of 2048 by 793 pixel resolution. The aspect ratio will be of 23 by 9. For the sake of a comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 cover display has an aspect ratio of 24.5 by 9. A similar claim was also made in the leak last month, which also claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 internal foldable screen is also going to be wider than its predecessor. It seems like offering a wider display is one of the major changes that the new folds will be introducing with. And I think that the wider display will going to be welcomed more. It's going to make it so much easier to use the device without having to unfold it every time. Samsung must improve the cover display experience as much as possible to improve the usability of this great product. Apart from this, a few weeks ago, a new leak has revealed that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be launching in 1TB storage variant. Now, more signs are pointing towards the accuracy of this particular report. Yesterday, the 1TB variant of Samsung next generation foldable phones was spotted in Korean retailer database. Today, another South Korean retailer information reveals that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be available in a 1TB variant. So at least the South Korean market will get this ultra high-end storage variant. Samsung could launch it in a few additional markets across the world, including the US. The phone is expected to feature a thinner hinge, a less prominent screen crease, and a thinner and light body. Expect to hear more leaks and rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in the coming weeks. Samsung is expected to unveil the device alongside with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 in August this year. So we have to wait and see how this device is going to be turned out. And guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new screen ratio? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.